Thank you for purchasing the Raise3D SLS printer RMS220 series. This video will guide you through the unboxing and installation of the RMS220 printer and build unit 220. Please follow the steps in this video to complete the installation, otherwise, the device may malfunction, or even be damaged. To ensure smooth installation and safe operation of the RMS220, please reserve sufficient operating space and confirm that the power supply environment meets the following requirements before operation. Before unpacking and assembling, please wear gloves and safety shoes, and take other protective measures. Please prepare the following necessary tools yourself. Installation must be performed by professionally trained personnel. Please wear appropriate protective equipment during installation. The equipment must be powered off before installation. In this chapter, we will guide you on how to remove the outer packaging of RMS220. Open the latches. There are 6 latches on the box, 3 on each side. Cut the cable ties with scissors, then twist open the latches. Carefully lower the flap to avoid injury. Remove the protective foam. Use the drill to remove the protective strip. Remove the power cord that is attached to the right side of the printer. Use an electric drill to remove the fixing screws on the sides and bottom of the back of the wooden box. It takes 2 to 4 people to lift the handles on both sides of the box and move the wooden box away from the equipment. Use scissors to remove the vacuum packaging from the RMS220. Use scissors to remove the protective film covering the printer. Use an hex wrench, or a wheel wrench, to remove the 4 brackets securing the printer, 2 on each side. Next, you need to raise the printer's 4 feet to prevent them from hitting the base when moving the printer. First, use an open-end wrench to loosen the top screws downwards. Then, use the open-end wrench to loosen the bottom screws upwards to raise the feet. Locate the right side door. Grasp the latch to open the right side door. Check if the HEPA filter and activated carbon filter are installed correctly. Take out the front door key. Use the key to open the front door. Turn the key clockwise to open the door. Remove the accessories box from the printer cavity. Otherwise, the RMS220 printer cannot be moved. Lock the door counterclockwise. Otherwise, after powering on, the screen will continuously display front door not closed, and you will be unable to operate the front door via the screen. Unlock the casters and move the RMS220 to an open area for subsequent installation. Be careful not to let the printer bump against the base while moving it. The items in the accessories box are shown below. Please refer to the accessories list for details. The items in the toolbox are shown below. Please refer to the accessories list for details. Installing the tower light. The tower light is not pre-installed on the RMS220. You will need to install the tower light yourself after removing the RMS220 packaging. Take out the tower light. Peel off the transparent protective film from the tower light interface on the top of the RMS220. Connect the tower light wiring. The connecting cable is held in place by the strap. Please remove the strap and adjust the connecting cable. Install the tower light onto the RMS220, making sure to align the markings before tightening. Preparing the gas source. RMS220 has both nitrogen mode and air mode, and the refresh rate varies slightly depending on the material used. Please use the gas source according to your needs. If you require an external air source, remove the quick connector and install it on the air source port on the back of the RMS220. The quick connector is compatible with pneumatic hoses or rigid tubes with an outer diameter of 8 mm and an inner diameter of 6 mm. Installing the IR sensor. Take out the IR sensor. Check that both lenses of the IR sensor are clean. If there are stains, please wipe the lens with a clean room wiper dampened with alcohol. Open the maintenance window at the top of the RMS220. Pull the network cable out of the printer and connect it to the IR sensor. Place the IR sensor into the RMS220 and close the maintenance window. Installing the optical window. Take out the optical window, along with the accompanying alcohol bottle and clean room wiper. Use a clean room wiper dampened with alcohol to wipe the inside and outside of the optical window. Install the optical window back into the RMS220. Make sure the side of the optical window with the screws is facing upwards. There is a clip inside the RMS220. Use this clip to secure the protective lens in place. You will hear a click when it is successfully installed. Connect the power cord. Check if the main power switch on the back of the printer is in the off position as shown in the picture. Plug the power cord into the main power inlet. The power inlet is located on the back of the RMS220. You need to connect the power cord to a dedicated circuit. Starting the printer. After connecting the main power cord, please check that the emergency stop switch is turned clockwise. According to the markings on the main power switch, turn the main power switch clockwise to the on position to start the printer. Wait for the Raise3D progress bar to appear on the touchscreen, then the boot process is successful. This chapter will show you how to remove the outer packaging of the build unit 220. Open the latches. There are 4 latches on the box, 2 on each side. Cut the cable ties with scissors, then twist open the latches. Carefully lower the flip panel. Remove the protective foam from the side. Use the drill to remove the screws on the sides and bottom back of the wooden box. Two people are needed to lift the wooden box by lifting the handles on both sides and carrying it away from the equipment. Remove the vacuum packaging from the outside of build unit 220. Unlock the caster lock and push the build unit 220 away from the base. Remove the protective film from build unit 220. Take the power cord and adapter from the build platform. Insert the power connector into the right side of build unit 220. Press and hold the up/down button to check if the build platform can move up and down smoothly. A slight friction sound is normal when the build platform moves up and down for the first time. Check that the rubber strip is firmly attached to the cylinder wall without any gaps. If there are gaps, please contact after-sales personnel. After you have finished installing the RMS220, you must level it completely before you can start your first print. There are 4 feet under the printer. First, use the wrench to lower the 4-foot supports to the ground. Insert both ends of the feeler gauge under each foot in sequence. First, insert the 3 mm end of the feeler gauge, ensuring it can be inserted smoothly. Then, insert the 6 mm end of the feeler gauge, ensuring it cannot be inserted. Adjust the height of the foot support up or down using the wrench, depending on the feeler gauge. All 4 feet need to be checked. Push the build unit 220 into the RMS220 printer to check if it moves smoothly. If the build unit 220 cannot be pushed in, continue adjusting the height of the foot supports. Check that the side guide wheels and the guide slots of build unit 220 are at the same height. Ensure that at least half the width of the side guide wheels is in contact with the guide slots. In the RMS220 movement interface, press and hold the or arrow below the powder recoder to move the recoder to the relative center position. After the recoder has moved to the center, place a level on the recoder for measurement. Ensure the middle air bubble is centered before printing. Based on the level reading, adjust the feet for leveling as needed. After leveling, click the home button under the recoder to home it. Now, you have now completed the unpacking and installation of the RMS220 and build unit 220. Please refer to the additional support documentation to complete the preparations and begin printing.